Meeting polls are useful when you want to find out a convenient time for the majority of people to have a meeting. How do you create such a meeting poll? You go to create and then click meeting poll. It's also accessible there where it says meeting polls. So we're just going to click this part. So you choose your time zone there, and then you choose the duration of the meeting. Say you want to have a 1-hour meeting. So this poll, say you want to choose times on Friday. So you can choose to say, these are the available times that we want to vote to see which time is the best time to have the meeting for everyone. We then click next, and there you put the name of the meeting, because now we're creating a poll so that when people agree, the name of the meeting will then appear there. People will know what it is about. So let's say it's a daily update. It's a weekly update rather. So let's say it's a weekly update and we want to have that on Zoom. We can also reserve to say the times that we have selected, no other meetings. It can be booked upon that until the poll is done. We can also show the votes on the page to see who has voted for what time, or we can make that anonymous by removing that. So once we do this, we then share the poll. For example, if we copy this link, I'm just going to show you how that will work out. We go to meeting polls and we want to see how this has worked out. So we click weekly update and we want to see the summary there. Now that you've sent this to several people, I'm just going to show you how this will update here. I've refreshed my page, and as you can see, one invitee has voted there. So you can see that this person has already voted for 9 a.m. So as people keep on voting, you'll be able to see the update here, and then you can book the meeting at the particular time that has the most number of people. Now, as an illustration, say all the results have come in for the meeting poll, and you have noticed that 9 a.m. is the time that most of the people chose. So how do you book the meeting for everyone? You simply click book, and then once you click this book meeting, they will automatically include all the people who have voted in your poll to that meeting. So you simply click book meeting, and these people will then get an invitation for that booking. So that's how you make use of meeting polls.